The chopper plays an important role in chopping of the nucleus in phacoemulsification. Many variations of choppers have been developed. These can be classified into two main categories, depending on the technique for which they were developed. First, choppers with horizontal action, and second, choppers with vertical action. The sharp-tipped choppers are designed to perform vertical chopping. Many variations are available. These are Nagahara chopper, Agrawal chopper, vertical chopper. Buying links are provided in the description of the video. These choppers share the same general structure with other choppers. These consist of a handle and a distal portion with a tip to penetrate the nucleus and are angled 90 degrees. The shape of the tip is pointed as it is designed for both vertical and horizontal chopping. The inner surface of the shaft is sharpened to cut the nucleus during the movement of the chopper toward the phaco tip, which is impaled in the center of the nucleus. With denser nuclei, a horizontal chopper must exert a greater compressive force in order to fracture the nucleus along its natural lamellar cleavage plane. In contrast, vertical chopping utilizes a shearing force to split the nucleus into pieces. The best description of use of these choppers has been provided by Dr. Deepak Megur. Stay with us to watch how to make best use of these choppers.
To work around this problem, the first thing I do is to sculpt out a small central area of the nucleus. While doing this, I'm stabilizing the nucleus with my second instrument to achieve the small trench. The whole idea of creating this small trench is I want to be much more nearer to the central core of the nucleus, which could help me to achieve a firm grip on the nucleus. So once I bury my phaco tip, my right hand moves up a little bit, ensuring the nucleus lifts up a bit. Simultaneously, my left hand with the chopper goes vertically down and then laterally. Once the crack is noted, I keep my right hand steady, pulling the nucleus ever so slightly up, while my left hand is performing the lateral separation, gently repeating it at progressively deeper planes. At this moment, only a part of the entire nucleus is cracked, but it is fine, I'm not in a hurry. Let us go back and see the two movements which I made for the vertical chop. So once I bury my tip, the right hand moves up, lifting up the nucleus slightly. I get this confirmation by seeing that the nucleus is touching the anterior capsule, and simultaneously my left hand moves down and then laterally out. By this maneuver, we can ensure that the posterior capsule and the zonules are not put at stress during the chopping maneuvers. Moving on to the next chop, after burying my tip, again I lift up the nucleus and see that it is just touching the anterior capsule. Then my chopper goes down vertically and then laterally. It is to be noted that my right hand with the phaco probe is held still, and almost all of the maneuvers are being done primarily with my left hand only. We can see that a small band of the nuclear tissue is just holding these posterior plate of the two fragments together. The fragments are turned up and then easily released by phacoing it, and then the fragment is consumed at the iris plane. The second fragment is then consumed similarly, ensuring that there is minimal turbulence and chatter. For the second piece, I'll demonstrate the horizontal chop. It's easier to perform the horizontal chop in the second heavy nucleus, as we've got enough space and we can see things much better.
I hope you liked the video. Feel free to share your views on this issue in the comment section. Check the description for similar videos and product links.